So here topic is properties of magnetic field lines. So first property is that magnetic field lines always from north to south outside, but inside its direction is from S means south to north, it is inside, right? So that is the direction outside north to south and inside south to north, that is the direction in magnetic field of bar magnet, right? Second, now bar magnet of or any magnet, magnetic field lines never intersect. Suppose they intersect at some particular point, it means we have both directions, means at that point we have two direction of magnetic field lines, right? To find the direction of magnetic field lines, we have to draw tangent to that point. Is, for example, if we are having magnetic field line in this direction, so if you want to find direction of magnetic field, I have to draw tangent in this direction, right? Fourth one, that is magnetic field lines, if magnetic field lines very nearer to each other, that means it is called strong magnetic field lines. But if they are far away from each other, that means it is called weak magnetic field lines. So it depends. If magnetic field lines are very near to each other, it is called strong area of magnetic field, and if far away from each other, it is called weak area of magnetic field. Then fifth, magnetic field it never intersect. Okay, yeah, it behaves as rubber band, stretch rubber band, right? Stretch rubber band means if we have one magnet and we kept another magnet near to first magnet, so these magnetic field lines are repel each other, means they are behaving like stretch rubber band, means they are moving away from each other, so they behave like that as a stretch rubber band. Now sixth one, magnetic field lines are continuous, they don't have any gaps between them, these are continuous, right? So always it is continuous, there is no gap between heat like this. Here they don't have any gap, it is continuous one. We can't, we just represent it in the field lines, but it is not lines, it is continuous one. Seventh one, these magnetic field lines is, for example, continuous. After that, yeah, magnetic field lines are parallel, then it is called uniform magnetic field. If they are parallel and equidistant, so I have to add here parallel and equidistant, means field lines have to be parallel, and equidistance means distance of consecutive lines have to be same, right? So this is called uniform magnetic field if they are parallel and equidistant with each other. So these are the properties of magnetic field lines.